The Anchorage School District is in the middle of a 10-year security and safety upgrade project, an investment in the future of our students and our community.
Hello, I'm Jim Anderson. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Anchorage School District, and today we're here in Campbell STEM Elementary School. And I'd like to talk to you about this year's spring bond. As part of this plan, Proposition 1 will fund essential improvements across Anchorage schools, ensuring safer, more secure, and more effective learning environments. These upgrades include security alarms, fire alarm replacements, visitor access controls, and secure vestibules, helping keep students and staff safe every day. The bond also covers critical maintenance, roof repairs, seismic upgrades, and structural integrity improvements so our schools remain safe and functional for years to come. Without major maintenance, a school's functional life is about 50 years. Most of our schools are older than that. This bond will replace aging pipes, electrical systems, and other major components before they fail.
But safe schools also means safe access. Proposition 1 will modernize ASD's heavy equipment fleet, providing reliable snowplows, loaders, graders, sanders, and sweepers to keep schools open and accessible during the winter. Right now, equipment breakdowns are frequent, and repairs take longer due to outdated parts. With upgraded equipment, crews will be able to plow snow, haul it away, and sand parking lots and sidewalks more efficiently, helping students and staff get to school safely.
Proposition 1 is a crucial part of the 10-year plan, investing in security and safety for our students and our staff. Let's build a stronger future together. To learn more about Proposition 1, log on to asdk12.org and click on Hot Topics.